In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a private account public on TikTok. So if people can't see your videos or people can't follow you, unless you approve them, then it means that your account is set to private and you need to go ahead and set it to public. To do this on TikTok using your PC is pretty simple. Just go ahead, log into your TikTok account and then tap on more here. Under this, go to general, under settings, and then under privacy, you should see private account is turned on. With this on, it means only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. To make it visible to everyone, go ahead and turn this off and then confirm that indeed you want to switch to public by tapping on switch here. And by doing so, now your settings will be updated. So that's how you can make your private account public on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.